Hey friends, it's Sean from Mind Possible, and I just wanted to take a moment to talk about two Kindle books that I'm releasing later on this week. The first one is based on the paperback for Renegade Mystic, the second edition. I wrote the first edition and put it out at the start of this year, but I just put out the second edition because I realized in the first edition I didn't include specific step-by-step instructions to have the consciousness experiences that I talk about in the book, namely lucid dreaming and how to have out-of-body experiences. So I've added two detailed chapters to show you exactly how to have those very same experiences. When I wrote the book the first time, I thought people could find those resources elsewhere because it's been written about a lot. But I thought this would be more convenient for my readers if I just included the instructions in the book. So the second edition now has those instructions. And I realized that some of the readers of the first edition didn't get them, and I don't want them to have to buy a whole new version of the book. So I created this second book. It's a little guy. It's just the two chapters that I added to the first edition to make the second edition. But you can look this up on Amazon. There's the paperback version that I'm holding here, and the title is slightly different for the Kindle because Kindle doesn't allow you to use as many characters. But if you go to my website, mindpossible.com, you'll find the links to both of them here. But this is a cute little book. It's very thin, easy to read. It's basically no BS. It's very concise, very brief and to the point, but it gives you a lot of my personal tips and experience based on what I've been through. And it's a lot of information that you don't read in other books. They might tell you the steps, and sometimes you can tell from the book or the author that maybe they haven't actually had the experience. But I'm speaking from personal experience here, giving you information that you might not find anywhere else. And the paperback is $6.95. The ebook is going to be less than $5. And they're on for pre-order right now, and they'll be released later this week in case you're interested. Anyway, I hope you're well, and I'll be putting out some more videos in the near future. All right, take care. Bye-bye.